Zeno Education Society, redefining excellence.
Hello friends, myself Priyanka Biramane. I am from ZIL Polytechnic Pune. My micro project name is Prepare a Report on Municipal Effluent Treatment Plant. This project guided by Professor Sahane ma'am. This is my group members Rahul Sawant, roll number 48, Priyanka Biramane, roll number 40, Apurva Kshirsagar, roll number 23. So now we start discuss about these points. What is ETP? Layout of ETP plant, flow chart of ETP plant, different important method of ETP plant, advantages and disadvantages, need of ETP in industry. What is ETP? ETP or effluent treatment plant is used to treat the industrial wastewater, ineffluent, untreated industrial wastewater, effluent, treated industrial wastewater, sludge, solid parts separated from wastewater by ETP are the most important method: screening, coagulation, pH correction, sedimentation. Screening is the filtration process for the separation of coarse particles from influent. Stainless steel net is used for screening. Hard plastic brushes are used to clean the net, which are driven mechanically. Coagulation is the process to make a wastewater homogeneous and cool. Equalization, the tank is also called homogeneous tank. Retention time 8 hours. This tank is made of RCC. pH correction. In this tank, pH of the effluent is corrected to meet the standard. Acidic or alkali added to the effluent by dosing to increase or decrease the pH of effluent respectively. Multimeter type pH meter is used. Sedimentation pack. In this tank, sludge is selected down partially. Sedimentation pack provides the advantage of fast sludge separation. Need of ETP in industry. Manufacturers face strict regulation on discharge and waste. Non-compliance can lead to expensive fees and operation interference. A wastewater treatment helps them to stay in compliance, reduce transportation and off-site treatment cost, reduce supply cost by recovering production material out of the waste stream for reuse, eliminate municipal fees, eliminate unnecessary water uses during processing. The advantages and disadvantages. Advantages: compact, less than 10 m square of floor space for a complete installation, as efficient as a conventional, saver, reliable, can be installed on difficult and compact sites, cost effective, taking into account installation, running cost and maintenance. Disadvantages: needs energy to operate air compressor turbine, annual maintenance required, which can be binding on some models, can be recommended for holidays, homes, secondary houses, SVR system, and thus with a sludge return process can be more suitable for holiday homes depending on this occupancy. Thank you.